Hello viewers, welcome to CVR English News. I am your Dr. Abraham Premkumar, going to talk about AI and its type of AI. AI can be different from capability based types of artificial intelligence and functionally based types of artificial intelligence. Let's see about capability based types of artificial intelligence. Based on how they learn and how far they can apply their knowledge, all AI can be broken down into three capability types: narrow AI, general AI, super AI. And here, how about each narrow AI? Let us know about narrow AI. Narrow AI, also known as artificial narrow intelligence (ANI) or weak AI, describes AI tools designed to carry out very specific actions or commands. ANI technologies are built to serve and excel in one cognitive capability and cannot independently learn skills beyond its design. This often utilizes machine learning and neural network algorithms to complete these specified tasks. For instance, natural language processing is a type of narrow AI because it can recognize and respond to voice commands but cannot perform other tasks beyond that. Some examples of narrow AI include image recognition software, self-driving cars, and AI virtual assistants. Artificial General Intelligence AI. Artificial General Intelligence AI (AGI), also called General AI or Strong AI, describes AI that can learn, think, and perform a wide range of actions similarity to humans. The goal of designing artificial general intelligence is to be able to create machines that are capable of performing multifunctional tasks and act like lifelike, equally intelligent assistants to humans in everyday life. Through skill, work is progress. The groundwork of artificial general intelligence could be built from technologies such as supercomputers, quantum hardware, and generative AI. The models like ChatGPT are the examples. So, artificial superintelligent is the next type. The artificial superintelligence ASI or super AI is stuff of science fiction. It's theorized that once AI has reached the general intelligence level, it will soon learn at such a fast rate that its knowledge and capabilities will become stronger than that even on humankind. ASI would act as the backbone of technology of completely self-aware AI and other individualistic robots. Its concept is also what fuels the popular media trope of AI takeovers, but at this point it's all speculation. Then comes artificial superintelligence will become by far the most capable form of intelligence on earth, said Dave Roger-Monser, CEO of AI writing company Jasper. It will have the intelligence of human beings and will be exceedingly better than everything that we do. Functionality based types of artificial intelligence. Functionality concerns how an AI applies its learning capabilities to process data, respond to stimuli, and interact with the environment. As such, AI can be sorted by four functionality types. First is reactive machine AI. Reactive machines are just that, reactionary. They can respond to immediate requests and tasks, but they aren't capable of storing memory, learning from past experiences, or improving that functionality through experiences. Additionally, reactive machines can only respond to the limited combination of inputs. Reactive machines are the most fundamental type of AI. Then second is the in-practice reactive machines. The in-practice reactive machines are useful for performing basic autonomous functions such as filtering spam from the email box or recommending items based on your shopping history, but beyond that, reactive AI can't build upon previous knowledge or perform more complex tasks. Some examples of reactive AI are IBM Deep Blue. IBM reactive AI machine Deep Blue was able to read real-time cues in order to beat Russian chess grandmaster Garry Kasparov in 1997 chess match. The next example is Netflix. Netflix recommended or engine media platforms like Netflix often utilize AI performed recommended on engines which process data from a user's watch history to determine and suggest what they would be most likely to watch next. The next is limited memory AI. The limited memory AI can store past data and use that data to make predictions. This means it actively builds its own limited short-term knowledge based on performance tasks. Based on that knowledge, the core limited memory AI is deep learning, which imitates the function of neurons in the human brain. This allows a machine to observe data from experiences and learn from the helping of improve accuracy of the actions over time. Today, the limited memory model represents the majority of AI applications. It can be applied in a broad of range scenarios, from smaller scale applications such as chatbots to the self-driving cars and other advanced use cases. Some examples of limited memory AI are chatbots and virtual assistants are form of limited memory AI that use deep learning to mimic human conversation. As users interact more with these systems, they learn from this data and remember details about the user, allowing them to provide relevant and personalized responses. Self-driving cars actually observes, process environmental data around them as they travel on the road. This helps them predict when they need a turn, when they need a stop, when they avoid obstacle, etc. Then comes the theory of mind AI. The theory of mind refers to the concept of AI that can perceive and pick up on the emotions of others. The term is borrowed from psychology, describing humans' ability to read the emotions of others and predict future actions based on that information. Theory of mind hasn't been fully realized yet and stands as the next substantial milestone AI development. The theory of mind could bring parity of positive changes to be tech world, but it is also possesses its own risks since emotional causes, and to notice that it would take a long time for AI machines to perfect reading then, and could partially make big errors while in the learning stage. Some people also fear that once technologies are able to respond to emotional signals as well as situational ones, the result mean automation of some jobs. Example for theory of mind AI. So, Rafael Tina, senior AI researcher as insurance company Accenture, provided an example and illustrate how a successful theory of mind application world revolutionize the technology, and self-driving car may perform better than a human driver the majority of the time because of won't make the same human errors. But if you as a driver know that your neighbor's kid tends to play close to the street after school, you will know intensively to slow down while passing that neighbor's driveway, something an AI vehicle equipped with basic limited memory wouldn't be able to do that. Self-aware AI is the third type of AI in the process based. The self-aware AI describes artificial intelligence that possesses self-awareness, referred to as to the AI point of singularity. Self-aware AI in the stage of beyond the theory as of mind and is one of the ultimate goals in AI development. One of the ultimate goals in AI development, that's thought that once self-aware AI is reached, AI machines will be beyond our control, because they will not only be able to sense the feeling of others, but will have the sense of self as well. The example of self-aware AIs are perhaps one of the most famous of these is Sophia, a robot developed by robotics company Harrison Robotics. While not technically self-aware, Sophia is an advanced application of current AI technologies, provides a glimpse of AI is potentially self-aware future. It's a future of promise as well as danger, as there is debate about whether it's ethical to build sentient AI that all generative artificial intelligence.
Understanding generative AI, its impacts and limitations. Artificial intelligence has endowed us with limitless possibilities. In other words, it also comes with a set of limitations. Hard to control. Some models of generative AI like GANs are unstable, as well as it is hard to control their behavior. They sometimes do not generate the expected outputs, and it's hard to figure out why. Pseudo-imagination. Generative AI algorithms still need a vast amount of training data to perform tasks. GANs cannot create entirely new things. They only combine what they know in new ways.
We all saw about the types of AI, the 7 types of AI, 3 based to the capability of the AI and 4 based to the functional capability of the AI. Now, let us know about generative artificial intelligence. What is called generative artificial intelligence? Generative artificial intelligence, Gen AI or GAI is artificial intelligence capable of generating text, images or other data using generative models. Often in response to prompts, generative AI models learn the patterns and structure of their input training data and then generate new data that has similar characteristics. Improvements in transformer-based deep neural networks enabled an AI boom of generative AI system in the early 2020s. Large language model LLM chatbots such as ChatGPT, Copilot, Gemini and Llama, text to image artificial intelligence image generation systems such as Stable Diffusion, Midjourney or DALL-E, and text to video AI generates such as Sora. Companies such as OpenAI, Anthropic, Microsoft, Google and Baidu, as well as numerous smaller firms, have developed generative AI models. Generative AI has uses across a wide range of industries including software development, healthcare, finance, entertainment, customer service, sales and marketing, art, writing, fashion and product design. However, concerns have been raised about the potential inuse of generative AI such as cybercrime, the use of fake news or deep fakes to deceive or manipulate people, and the mass replacement of human jobs. A generative AI system is constructed by applying unsupervised or self-supervised machine learning to a data set. The capabilities of generative AI system depend on the modality of the type of the data set used. The generative AI can be either unimodal or multimodal. Unimodal systems take only one type of input, whereas multimodal type systems can take more than one type of input. For example, one version of OpenAI's GPT-4 accepts both input and image inputs. In addition to neural language text, large language models can be trained on programming language text, allowing them to generate source code for the new computer programs. Example include OpenAI Codex. Generative AI can also be trained extensively on audio chips to produce natural sounding speech synthesis and text to speech capabilities, exemplified by event labs, contents aware synthesis tools or media platforms Voicebox. The AI generated music from the Diffusion interface server, prompted with bossa nova with electric guitar. Generative AI systems such as Music LM and Music Gen can also be trained on the audio waveforms of recorded music along with text annotations in order to generate new musical samples based on text descriptions, such as a calming violin melody backed up by a distorted guitar riff. The generative AI can also be trained on the motions of the robotic system to generate new transactions for motion planning or navigation. For example, UNIPI from Google Research uses prompts like pick up blue bowl or wipe plate with yellow sponge to control movements of the robot arm. The multimodal vision language action model, such as Google's RT2, can perform fundamental reasoning in responsive to user prompts and visual input, such as picking up a toy dinosaur. When given the prompt, pick up the extended animal at a table filled with toy animals and other objects. The terms generative AI planning for generative planning were used in the 1980s and 1990s to refer the AI planning system, especially computer aided process planning, used to generate sequences of actions to reach a specified goal. The generative AI planning system used symbolic AI methods such as state space search and constraint satisfaction, and were a relatively mature technology by the early 1990s. They were used to generate crisis action plans for military use, process plans for manufacturing a decision plan, such as in prototype autonomous spacecraft. Generative AI systems are often used to develop synthetic data as an alternative to data produced by real world events, such as data can be deployed to validate mathematical models as trained machines in learning models while preserving the privacy include for the structured data. To approach the non-limited text generation, image generation has been employed to train computer vision models. The generative AI models are used to power chatbot products such as ChatGPT, programming tools such as GitHub Copilot, text to image products such as Midjourney, and text to video products such as Runway Gen 2. Generative AI features have been integrated into a variety of existing commercially available products such as Microsoft Office, Google Photos, and Adobe Photoshop. Many generative AI models are also available as open source softwares, including Stable Diffusion and the Llama language model. Generative AI's ability to create realistic fake content has been explicit in numerous types of cybercrime, including phishing scams. Deep fake video and audio have been used to create disinformation and fraud. Former Google fraud caser Suman Goose Majumdar has predicted that while deep fake videos initially created a stir in the media, they would soon become commonplace, and as a result, more dangerous. Automatically large language models and other forms of text generation AI have been at a broad scale to create fake reviews on the e-commerce websites to boost rating. Cybercriminals have created large language models focused on fraud, including Woman GPT and Fraud GPT. A recent research done in 2023 has revealed that generative AI has weaknesses that can be manipulated by criminals to extract harmful information, bypassing ethical safeguards. To study present example attacks done on ChatGPT, including jailbreaks and reverse psychology. Additionally, malicious individuals can use ChatGPT for social engineering attacks and phishing attacks. Revealing the harmful side of these technologies. It is very going to be common in all the technologies. When you are going to a technology, there will be some harm happen to the people. So we have to be safely use all the technologies. Yeah, that's all for today about the types of AI and generative AI. I am your Dr. Abraham Premkumar signing off for Tech View. Keep watching CVR English News for latest and future updates.